This video tutorial I will explain what is Agile. Agile is a project management methodology which focused on iterative development, collaboration and adaptability. Agile is a popular approach for software development, but the core principles can be applied to various professional settings. Here you can see the key Agile principles: iterative development, focus on value, customer collaboration, embrace change and continuous improvement. What is iterative development? Break down projects into smaller manageable chunks called sprints, and each sprint focuses on delivering specific set of features or functionalities. This allows for continuous feedback and course correction throughout the project. What is focus on value? Prioritize delivering features that provide the most value to the stakeholders. Stakeholders are nothing but clients, users, etc. And this ensures the project remains focused on addressing actual needs and delivering tangible results early and often. What is customer collaboration? Close collaboration with stakeholders is crucial. Stakeholders are actively involved in development process, providing feedback and influencing priorities. This helps to ensure that the project aligns with their expectations. What is embrace change? Agile acknowledges that requirements may evolve throughout the project. So the Agile process is designed to be adaptable, allowing for a change in direction when necessary. This flexibility helps the project stay relevant and address emerging needs. What is continuous improvement? Agile promotes a culture of continuous improvement. The teams constantly reflect on their processes and identify areas for improvement. This helps them become more efficient and effective over the time. Now we will see benefits of Agile. The first point is increased efficiency. By focusing on delivering working features in a short sprints, Agile reduces waste and keeps projects on track. The second point is improved quality. Continuous feedback and continuous testing lead to higher quality deliverables. Third point is enhanced customer satisfaction. Close collaboration with stakeholders ensure the project meets their needs and delivers value. Fourth point is better adaptability. Agile teams are better equipped to handle the changes and unforeseen challenges. Fifth point is increased team morale. The collaborative and iterative nature of Agile fosters a sense of ownership and engagement among team members. Now we will see how to implement Agile principles. The first point is define sprints. Establish clear goals and deliverables for each sprint. The second point is prioritize backlog. Maintain a prioritized list of features and the task, which is nothing but product backlog. Third point is daily stand-up meetings. Foster communication with short daily meetings to discuss progress and challenges. Fourth point is regular reviews and retrospectives. Conduct sprint reviews to showcase the progress and retrospectives to identify areas for improvement. Fifth point is embrace transparency. Encourage open communication and information sharing within the team. You have to remember Agile is not a one size fits all approach. The specific practices and tools used can be adapted to fit the needs of your project and your team. By understanding and applying Agile principles, professionals can improve project outcomes, enhance collaboration, and foster a more responsive and adaptable work environment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.